In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to share a folder through command line interface in the Windows environment. The net share command is used to share a folder in Windows via command prompt. The structure of this command is as follows. In the structure of this command, sharename is actually the name that is shown to other computers on the network. In the case of /grant, the access level is defined in three forms: read-only, editable and full access. As an example, I'm going to share a folder called Share Folder on Drive C. I want this folder shows mccarti and to be read-only available to any user on other PCs. Administrator and mccarti users also have full access to this shared folder. I use this command for this purpose.